AI and machine learning, they are revolutionizing our daily life. They are revolutionizing our daily work. I have been working in the field of AI and machine learning for manufacturing applications for several years. The focus of my career award will be developing a large-scale, generalizable machine learning model specifically tailored for manufacturing applications to improve the autonomy and also the manufacturing efficiency, quality control, and sustainability. Our primary research goal would be developing the large-scale, highly generalizable AI machine learning solutions that are designed specifically for manufacturing processes, for example, welding. We aspire to develop the groundbreaking AI machine learning solution that can be likened to the manufacturing counterpart of ChatGPT, which is recently renowned for its capability of natural language processing. In the past, I have two NSF projects. One focuses on the AI-based condition monitoring and fault diagnosis of the manufacturing machines. The second project is to automate welding process through intelligent robotic control. But both of these projects, they are developed in the lab environment. We realize, our solutions may not work well in the plant production scenario, and that motivates us to do some real applicable development. So for manufacturing, we need our first successful machine learning model. So that brings to my research. And I'm very glad that NSF, they saw the value of this project and they found us. I think all people working in the field of AI and machine learning know that the truth is, if you don't have data, you have nothing to develop AI machine learning model. So I feel very lucky that General Motors has been very generously in sharing their data, including both the plant data and lab data with us. So we will meet the requirement to develop a large-scale machine learning model. That means our model, if it's successful, will not only be very successful in a lab environment, but will also be valuable and applicable in the plant production. Throughout this project, we will closely work with the Math Science Technology program at the Dunbar High School in Lexington. We will recruit 2 to 4 high school students and offer them a specifically designed research project, for example, utilizing the intelligent robotic welding module or exploring the interaction between AI machine learning techniques and elegant art design. We will not only foster their interest in AI machine learning and smart manufacturing, but also provide them exceptional learning experience. To me, NSF CAREER Award is not only a recognition, but more importantly, it provides me an opportunity to work on a real-world challenge. So if I can be very successful on this project, our group will develop the first successful generalizable AI machine learning solution for manufacturing. That will be very meaningful.